Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes.
Thank you. Let me join everyone first, then we will start further.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Please drop a quick yes if I'm audible to you all.
Yes, you are audible.
So, hi guys, I'm Akshita Tyagi from MiSUMi India's customer support team, and joining me today is my colleague Mr. Veera Kumar from sales team. As most of our customers are already aware about MiSUMI India's offers a vast range of over 6 million components for factory automation and press and mold components with same-day dispatch. But for our new customers, today's session will help you understand how to make the most of our web ordering system from registration to placing your very first order. Now, my colleague Mr. Veera Kumar will explain you the registration process in web ordering system. Over to you, Veera-san.
Good afternoon everyone. So I would like to make your procurement journey smooth and fast. Let me take you through the registration process first. And for registration, you can go to Google and simply type MiSUMI India. Let me share the screen first.
Yes, it's visible.
Thank you. So while doing the registration, you can simply go to Google and simply type MiSUMI India and enter it. So it will show you that in.misumi-ec.com. So just click on this. Our MiSUMI portal will be open like this. So click on login. So it will ask you register now in yellow highlighted. So this is the form which we need to fill. Hardly it will take 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. For to fill this form, you need to enter your email ID. And you can create a password as per your convenience. And this user information is contact person name and number, like, and number is, let's suppose you have to mention the company name. Let's suppose, for example, I'm using this company's name, Sandhya Enterprises. So if you are using for the first time doing first time registration, it will ask you, do you already have a customer code? That means you have to click on no. Now you have to enter the address. This is the billing address, where once we book the order, we will send the material on the bill, this address. It's only 2-3 minutes process only. It's a basic information which we need to enter while doing the registration. And what all are in red star it is showing, it is important. It will not take you through further. Now you have to mention the contact number again. Let's suppose type of job, the purchaser or the product engineering, manufacturing. So let's suppose for this customer, Sandhya Enterprises, he is a trader. So I will select others. So whatever is the nature of business, whatever the line of business you are doing, like machine manufacturer, product manufacturer, you need to select accordingly. So in this case, I'll select trader, and payment term always should be prepayment first. For first 3 transactions, we need to select prepayment. And you have to mention the correct GST number. Why? Because our customer support team will cross check in the web GST portal. It should be matched. Now click on this. We have a read and agree with the MiSUMI terms and condition and privacy policy. We do not use the product we purchase from MiSUMI in any way prohibited in restriction of prohibited users. So you have to click on yes, click on next. On the second page, again, you have to click on submit. Once you click on submit, it will ask you complete. Now you can see that only it has taken only 2 minutes to fill this form. Once you click on complete, whatever registered email you have mentioned while filling the form, on that email ID, you will receive one email within 2 minutes. And Akshita will take you through some poll of questions.
So,
In the
any
meanwhile,
questions till now, everybody? Do we have any questions in registration process?
Yes, Mr. Akhil Mohan, you can and ask the question.
Hi. You mentioned that payment terms have to be prepayment for the first 3 transactions while you
Yes.
were doing computing. So I have already registered on the portal. I have also placed the first order, and I had selected the other option, which was net 30 days. So now you are saying like if I have done registration with that, I have also received the products. So is that going to be a problem in the next order, or how exactly?
No, if you have registered yourself with the credit terms and your order has been dispatched once, so now we are not going to change any of your payment modes, sir.
Okay. Then there is one more question. There was one person assigned to me who called me from Bangalore. Now, the thing is, these orders were shipped from Gurgaon to me,
Okay.
whatever I placed. And one of them came with a defect. So what this person said is, since just because I have registered online, my orders were shipped from Gurgaon. So now to the process, like to provide the support on it and all, he said that he will first transfer my account from Gurgaon office to Bangalore office. So I want to understand what exactly does that mean if he's moving me from Gurgaon office to Bangalore office, and what is the support going to be like? This item will be replaced by Bangalore office, or like if you can give me some clarity on the
So,
support
sir, if
side.
you, I understand your question, and I really apologize that you have faced this problem from our internal team. So, if you are facing any issue, you should drop an email to our customer support email ID, that is cs@misumi.co.in. And it doesn't matter that which warehouse you are allocated to your account. We will cater your request, and we are going to replace the item which we have received, the damaged good.
No, whatever. See, the thing is, this is an item that is already shipped from Gurgaon. Now the person said that he will shift me to Bangalore first. So the reason I'm asking this is this item was damaged because these are basically aluminum extrusion profiles, which are 4 meter long and very thin, like 40 mm by 40 mm, 20 mm. So they got bent in the transit. So the thing is, if you let's say send a replacement, again, the bending happens or something like that happens. So then, like it's a back and forth that will keep on continuing.
I
So-
understand your concern, sir.
So the thing is, he's saying that once he moves me to the Bangalore office, only then he will process. So now this replacement is going to happen after, let's say, whatever he said, like, there's a very long process for that. So,
I understand your question, sir. Yeah, and so actually, this is not the right platform to discuss your concern
Okay.
as of now. So we'll
Okay.
cater your request. Please drop an email to cs@misumi.co.in, and surely we'll connect later and solve your problem.
Actually, I have already dropped an email a week back there. I mean, as soon as I received that order. So they
Okay,
said to hold on, and then nobody responded.
Okay, sir. I'll personally look into it and I'll check and revert you back ASAP.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Any questions related to registration process, sir?
Okay. Let me continue with that registration process now. So once you complete that complete process, you will receive email like this from the MiSUMi side. So on that email, you will find one link. So you need to click this link. So many times customer may afraid of clicking these kind of links. So that's why I'm showing this here. This is our process where we need to. You will receive a link like this. So you have to click this link. Once you click this link,
Please show the screen to the people
Yes.
that we receive.
my screen is visible now.
Yes,
Okay. So once you click on complete, you will receive one email from MiSUMi side. On that email, you will find one link. You have to click this link and click on complete. Continue shopping. So once you click on continue shopping, again confirmation mail will be come here like this. It's completely showing Sandhya Enterprises, the company name, and the username, the Gaurav Kindra, and your customer code will be generated like this. So once you receive the login ID, you can go to our website again, click on login. My screen is visible now. Okay. So you have to mention your user ID will be always your email ID and the password which you have created. Click on login. Now once you click on login, it will show you Gaurav Kindra username. Your customer code is there and the details, your profile, everything. If you want to change your password, you can click on this and you can change your password also. Now I will take you through how to take the quotation through web portal. So click on quote, again click on quote. This is for the quotation purpose. So first thing it will ask you customer PO reference number. So PO reference number can be anything, number or alphanumeric, anything. You can type 1111, okay, and it will ask you ship via ground. You should be select ground mode. Now I'll take you through how to search the part first. So if you want to search a part like coil spring, you can type a name here. You can click on this. The entire range of coil spring will be in front of you. Let's suppose I need to select this coil spring. So once you select any product, in left hand side you can see the specification for this particular coil spring. You will be able to see the load and the outer diameter. Let's suppose let I select 10 mm and length is like 50 mm and maybe quoted as per your requirement. You can select it. So once you select all the parameters, automatically part code will be created like this. So SWM 10-50. This is the part code. So while taking the quotation, you have to mention the correct part code. So first, while taking the quotation, this is the quotation form. So you have to mention the customer PO reference number, and you have to mention the red mark, the star mark, ship and ground. Let's suppose it will ask you, it is clearly mentioned, enter MiSUMi part number. Just mention the part number. In right hand side, you have to mention the quantity. Now just go down and click on next, and you will be able to see the price of this product along with ship date, 1 day. That means it is in stock item. This is a stock item basically. In case it is a non-stock part, then it may be it will show you 3 days, 4 days, or 5 days lead time according to the product. And left hand side you can see input coupon code. So once you registered, the customer code will be created. On that customer code, we will apply the coupon code. So whenever you will placing the order for the first time, you will be able to see the coupon code in your list. So you can copy that coupon code, apply here, and click on apply. So automatically it get refreshed and it will show you here that 20% has been deducted. So according to that, rate will come here and click on complete. Once you click on complete, the quotation number has been generated like this, WQ. So if I want to convert this quotation into order, so click on convert to order. So once you click on convert to order, again the same page will be like open like this. You can see the PO reference number which we have mentioned on the quotation time, and you can see your address, shipment via ground, part number, quantity, price, ship to date, 1 day, and click on next. So let's suppose I have entered only one item. Let's suppose you have entered 2-3 items like this. It will ask you shipment preference. So there are ship complete means all the items will be shipped on the same day, all together in 1 day. If you are selecting ship partial, maybe 2 items are in stock, that will dispatch very next day. Third item maybe it is showing lead time will be 4 days. So that means according to fourth day, that will dispatch separately. So in this case, I'll select ship complete, again click on next, and once you go down, you can see I agree the terms and condition, and you can place the order. So once you click on I place the order, you will get this kind of message: order will be processed after receipt of payment. So automatically mail will come to your the registered email ID from our accounts team through Performa invoice. On that Performa invoice, all the information will be mentioned along with the payment link also. So once you make the payment, you can share the details on the same email ID to process your order further. So this is the process.
So we'll be having one quick poll. So please confirm if you guys are aware of WOS or not. So please click on the button.
And I just want to ask one more thing. Anyone has any question if I am a little bit fast while taking you through this process? Anyone can raise their hand if anyone does not understand anything. Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Vir Kumar. This is Sunil Rathi from GKN.
Yeah. Tell me, sir.
Actually, we are old customer of MiSUMi. So you might have aware, we are purchasing many items from MiSUMi. But what I'm following, I have your manual hard copy. So with hard copy, I am sending the requisition through email. but I
Okay.
never tried online requisition for quotation.
Okay.
So which method we need to follow? The old one or
Sir,
what you are showing right now?
sir, if you are using this platform, I mean this process, so it will save your time for making POs, getting approval and everything. So simply you can you have the part code, MiSUMi part code correctly. You can one side you can mention the part code and the right hand side you can mention the quantity, right? You can click on next and quotation number will be generated as I shown you. On this quotation number itself, it will ask you convert to order. The same quotation you can convert into order online itself. So hardly 3-4 minutes process only, sir. So normally
Okay.
you were, you sending the purchase order to us
Mhm.
and you're taking approval and everything. You're sending to us the manual purchase order, and we are also, entering the part code manually and processing. So it's a time-taking process from your side and our side also.
So I didn't understand one thing. This order is being placed means this is your order to your supplier or what? Because I am not the person to release purchase order to you.
Okay. So no, when whosoever registered in this portal, so they will get the user ID and password, right? User
Okay.
ID is your
Mhm.
email ID. If you want to create a password or change the password, you can put your email ID, and there it will ask you the change the password. Once you click that change the password, it will ask you again email ID and confirmation email ID, and mail will comes to your registered email ID. You can change your password also, and you can use this website.
That is okay. That I am aware. Already I
Okay.
am having all these credentials. My
Okay.
question is, you are asking to generate purchase order. So I didn't understand.
No, no,
Releasing
no.
purchase order.
I am not asking you to releasing the purchase order. So whenever you are sending purchase order to us manually to process it further,
Right.
on the same purchase order, whatever the item is mentioning, MiSUMi part code,
Mhm.
you can mention through our portal. You can convert that order into SO on your own to save your time and our time also.
So you mean you don't require separate purchase order once this process is done?
Yes, you can place this order through online itself. As I shown you in the beginning, customer PO reference number. So whenever you're generating PO, you might have PO number also, right?
Right.
So you can mention the PO number on the customer PO reference number. And if you have 5-10 items part code, you can mention one by one, or in one go. You can upload in the system. Automatically it will capture and click on next. You will be able to see the price and lead time and everything. Once, if you see the price is okay, lead time is okay, then go down and click on next and convert that quotation. So quotation number will be generated automatically. If you are wish to place the order, that quotation into order, then click on convert to order and proceed it further. So automatically the order will be placed through online. You will be able to see the price and lead time and everything.
Now my next query is
Yes.
your Shubham TK is directly I'm communicated to him. So there are
Okay.
multiple times we are having a communication that because of some policy issues, you are not able to sign our what you can say NDA agreement. So because of NDA
Okay.
agreement is not being signed, GKN is not able to make MiSUMi as our supplier.
I
So that's
absolutely
why we are
understand,
not.
sir.
Yes.
I'm
So that's why.
okay. Sorry. So this is I mean that this is a kind of little bit out of the topic, I guess, because this kind of cases will be handled separately. You can drop an email to us, right? We will rectify
Okay.
and we will give you the solution according to that.
Okay. Okay.
So anyone has any question?
So now we'll be having a poll.
I'm requesting everyone to please participate on this. And
So the question for our poll is, are you aware about our WOS, Web Ordering System ID? Please participate and give your answers. The link will be available in your chat box. So first one is, are you aware of your WOS ID? Second poll is that, are you aware that you can create quotation directly on the MiSUMi web ordering system? So poll is visible to you, right? So let's go to the second question. So second question is, are you aware that you can create quotation directly on the MiSUMi web ordering system? So all of the three questions are visible on your screen. So hope you all have answered all the 3 questions.
And in case if you have any question, yes, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Salim, sir, you can ask your question.
Okay, my question is that sometimes we search for items and there might be some related items but not matching our dimensions. Can you make a customized part code for that?
No, sir. But we have our standard component, right? But we can check with our, our supplier whether they will be available. They will be having the equivalent part or not.
Okay, then that means you have to give a confirmation. That means an email would be well sufficient, right?
Yes, of course, sir.
Sure, thank you.
Yes, Akhil Mohan. Micro. Yes, sir. Tell me, sir. How can I help you?
I have questions about customization in the orders. So if I have sent an email around a week back on which I haven't got any response yet, like what is to be done next. So how do I track like these kind of requests which are being made for
I mean, you have placed the order through online or?
No. As I said, for customization, like for custom lens and other things. So these are metal shafts, smooth shafts for custom length.
Understood,
So
sir. As I told you that we do not do customization. We have a standard product, right?
so in your website itself, it says that between 1 to 4,000 mm, any length can be
Yes,
chosen.
sir. So to answer to
You
your
can check. Yeah, Akshita, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, Virasan. So to answer to your question, sir, you can share your requirements with us. We will check if we'll be able to cater to your request, and if we'll be able to do it, our BD team, our business development team, will contact you regarding it.
So what is the timeline in which they would turn around?
Sir, 24 hours. 24 hours is the maximum time in which we will contact you regarding the requirement of yours, that if we'll be able to cater it or not.
So in my case, it's been over a week now. So what should I do next if I haven't got a response?
Okay. So, sir, we'll check it, and I'll ask my team to respond to it.
Okay.
Apologies for the inconvenience, sir.
Okay. No problem. I'm just trying to understand what is the process timeline.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Mr. Mold Maker, ask your question and mute yourself.
हाँ सर, मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ सर।
बोलिए सर, बोलिए।
अभी आजकल पिछले 6 महीनों से ना ये जो ऑर्डर करते हैं हम, जो नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स है ना, कभी कभी स्प्लिट करना पड़ता है सर ऑर्डरिंग का, क्योंकि क्वांटिटी है ना कभी दिखाता है उधर स्टॉक है करके, लेकिन वो ऑर्डर होता ही नहीं। आजकल ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत फेस कर रहे हैं सर हम।
सर मैं आपको ऐसा वेब पोर्टल में क्या है ना सर, फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट है। तो प्रोडक्ट ले रहे हैं, हो सकता है वो सेम प्रोडक्ट कोई और कस्टमर भी ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर डाल रहा हो सेम टाइम में, और जिसने ऑर्डर कन्वर्ट टू ऑर्डर कर दिया ऑनलाइन में, वो चीज जो है उनके लिए एलोकेट हो जाएगी। एक बार ऐसा होता है कि अभी आपने 5 मिनट पहले देखा स्टॉक में है, आपने देख लिया कि स्टॉक में, बट आपने आधे घंटे बाद डाला, वो जरूरी नहीं है, हो सकता है कि वो आधे घंटे से पहले निकल जाए, या हो सकता है आधे घंटे तक भी रहे। तो ये हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है सर।
वो भी करेक्ट है, लेकिन सर अभी आपका कैसा है, 27 आइटम्स है, लेकिन फिर भी आपके पास अवेलेबल स्टॉक है 27 नंबर्स, लेकिन मैं किया हूँ ऑर्डर 4 नंबर्स, तो फिर भी वो लेता नहीं सर आगे प्रोसेस में। मैं
समझ गया सर। अगर ऐसा कोई केस आता है तो मैं एक बार सेपरेटली मेल डाल दीजिएगा, ठीक है?
नहीं कि मैं एक कंसर्न टीम में पुणे से बात करता हूँ ना, तो वो बोलते हैं कि 4 आइटम को 1 करके 4 बार डिवाइड करके डालिए तब वो ले, लेकिन ये पुणे में स्टॉक है, नोएडा में स्टॉक है, ये सब कंफ्यूजन हमको नहीं चाहिए ना सर। हमको ये लेगा कि नहीं लेगा इतना ही चाहिए था सर। WOS में एक
ऐसे ठीक है, आई विल टेक इट एज अ कंसर्न सर, ताकि आप
ओके सर, चलेगा सर। ओके, थैंक यू।
So anyone has any question? I guess no one has any question now. So thank you so much for your time joining this meeting, and I really appreciate that. If you came across for any new update, we'll definitely connect you soon.
So if you guys face any problem, you can drop us an email at our customer support email ID, which is cs@misumi.co.in. For any queries, you can send us an email.
And thank you so much for once again joining us.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you, everyone.